Hey everybody, ever wonder what a real set from Harry Potter looks like? Let's find out on today's episode of Adventuring Spiders. Well, we haven't even started yet, and we're just in the entrance hall, and this is what you're greeted with, which is pretty incredible. Of course, this is the dragon that was kept in the basement of Gringotts. Very cool. Also on display, some of the costumes from Ministry of Magic. Of course, as you would expect, there is a very exhaustive store here where you can buy all kinds of souvenirs, and this place is massive. There's some really cool stuff. I will highlight some of them. The store even has themed zones. You've got Honeyduke's candy store here, and then you can go through that into another section, and then into the clothing. Very, very cool. Here's some of the favorite items I found for sale in the gift shop. You can get a model of the Sorcerer's Stone. You can get Lucius Malfoy's wand. You can get a variety of different bookends. You can get some other sculptures, including the Nimbus 2000, the 2001, and the Firebolt.
Do we have any of those?
I like this one. Tom Riddle's Diary with the Basilisk Fang. Definitely my favorite part of the gift store here is Ollivander's, where you can buy all kinds of wands, and they have all of them on display here, which is pretty cool. Alright everybody, we just started our tour here, and the very first thing we see is the cupboard under the stairs.
Of course, I do understand how tempting it might be to
introduction
stop in
here,
those doorways,
and we're
but
headed
please,
into the
we
Great
keep
Hall.
on coming in. Now by the teacher's table, just for our Dark Arts feature, we are joined by the costumes of the 4 Hogwarts house ghosts. We have the Grey Lady of Ravenclaw, the Bloody Baron of Slytherin, the Fat Friar of Hufflepuff, and of course, slowly comes to an end. If you did pick up one of our studio tour passports,
Great Hall empty. I am the last person to leave. Display here of the Yule Ball, the dress uniforms, the ice sculpture, and the dresses, including Hermione's here. We've got Victor Crumb, Harry. On the other side here we've got Ron's dress robes. Alright, here we have the Gryffindor boys dormitory. Very cool. This is the original Mirror of Erised, next to the photo where you need to enter the Gryffindor Common Room, Caput Draconis. This is the Slytherin Common Room. the Gryffindor Common Room. Alright, this is a very, very impressive set. This is Dumbledore's office. Very, very cool.
Bumpy ride!
What did you say your name was again? I didn't. Well, whereabouts are you headed? The Leaky Cauldron. That's in London. Do you hear that, Ern? The Leaky Cauldron, that's in London.
Leaky cauldron. Hey, you have the pea soup. Make sure you eat it before you eat you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
again, our arm's going to come in front of our body and we're going to do what I like to call wizard bowling. So your wand is going to come underneath and we're going to bowl underneath. Remember, we're doing it for Dumbledore, we're doing it for Dobby.
So making our way now into the Forbidden Forest set. And got Buckbeak in the distance. There's also Dementors in here.
Expecto Patronum, that is right. So you're gonna think in your happiest memory and we're gonna do it together in 3, 2, 1.
Expecto Patronum! Very cool set here in the Forbidden Forest. They have Aragog's lair. Spiders all around. Aragog himself in his cave. Looking very menacing. And he talks and moves. Well, this is cool. The actual Hogwarts Express. Very, very, very impressive. And you can go inside, which we will, of course, be doing. And you can get your picture taken, famously, at platform 9 3/4. Alright, everybody, so now we're in the back lot here at Leavesden Studios at Warner Brothers. Lots of stuff in the back lot here. We got the bridge from Hogwarts. A little bit further over here, we got the night bus. In the back, we got a miniature version of the Burrow. And then over this way, we got some of the stonework and the greenhouses. So we're gonna check it all out. This place is so cool. We're right now inside Privet Drive. Mr. Sprout's greenhouse with all of the mandrakes. Creature Studios portion of the backlot. Heading back into the set areas, but before we get in, a little bit on creatures and creature creation. Very, very interesting. Alright, there have been some impressive sets, but this has got to be one of the most impressive I've seen so far. We're in Gringotts, and it is unreal. Absolutely unreal. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Well, we just left Gringotts and we are now in Diagon Alley. This is really cool. This is Ollivanders. We got some wizarding equipment here. Next to that we got Florian Fetishew's Flourish and Blots. We got Weasley's Wizards Wheezes. We have a whole bunch of other things, and there in the window is the Nimbus 2000. Well, here it is. The entire model of Hogwarts. Wow. Here's the bottom of the model here. It is just absolutely unreal how big this thing is. And it was used in so many shots in the movie. Very, very cool. Alright everybody, that's going to do it from here in Leavesden Studios. What an amazing tour, what an amazing place. And hey, if you liked the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and until next time, good adventuring.